You're from me, Christabel. We won 14 years. We feel quite here. We were class form 2. 50 Brown, we joined Sisterhood Club. Meiji, we were a regime there. We too, our bomb of Dachi. Or church and choir, ever for about she who if you may some. I'm only say Dachi, watch a Yama P. We were church and choir ever for do. Best say, on whom a bubble pad. Menstruation and cramber for do ebe su problems of a bear ya cramming now, but church and cramber for the boy or brain free. Yaman kitten, and I chin with free. Yerba Bonnie say, you have a sex in your female now, church. It is no Burman, Nayaji. It's my country, be also much to my
You made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind.
The Sisterhood is a unique project that symbolizes a beautiful relationships between the girls in community based on respect, trust, and mutual support. Seeing the value of togetherness and the safe space it's already creating for the girls. I'm happy and encouraged that this simple vision that started as a dream is now impacting their lives and potentially the whole generation.
Oh, age me no form. No no form. Big no so was 14 years big. Agnes. Fast start theater come from for operation this year. Come on me for operation and grano. I'm from for theater and for you. Come. Nice, let's me more. Come next.
We're breaking all the rules.
One day will come and we will hear of story of many of you and maybe
What truly did my heart, it's only time apart. In no time we gon' be right back.
Hello everyone, I'm Erica. Erica also a midwife in charge of Garden Chiefs. It's very important for us as midwives to educate our young girls, especially those in the rural areas. Because if you are able to do that, it will help educate the whole family. If you educate a girl child, you are not educating the girl herself, but rather her immediate family. And also, it helps build self-confidence. If the girl child gets to know his or her rights, her challenges, she will be able to live and strive to inspire others. So we've taken it upon ourselves with Madam Monica, give education on teenage pregnancy, menstruation and other stuff, and then to listen to their challenges and help them address, because some of them, they have challenges of which they cannot get help from any person, any focal person. So if you're able to educate them, give them the health implication of teenage pregnancy, menstruation, how to go about it, the method, how to clean up, and then even how to use the pad to help the girls to be more focused and then to be more independent on their own. And when we visited Kwakrum right now, we are able to see the challenges of the young girls, especially with the pad issue. Somebody cannot even afford a pad once a month, so it's a challenge for them. Some of them try not to attend school because of what? Menstruation. But if you're able to educate them regularly, it will help us. And then for a girl child to be self-confident about herself, and then for her to also educate her colleague. So this is my message that I have to say. Thank you.